Alright, let's get some real parts. What do we got here? Feels heavy. Could be something important in there, it's heavy. Cameron, whoa, stand fell down. Okay, let's see what we got here. I sharpened up my knife last time, so maybe it'll actually cut this time. Good packaging. See, wrapped up. Then you got some more wrapping material in here for more protection yet. So if someone like me gets and drops it, it don't break. Still don't know what it is yet. What is that? Feels like an oil pump part for a flathead 45 UL. Let's see what's actually in here. Yeah, I don't need that. Yeah, let's see. That's an oil pump. There you go. It is a flathead oil pump. There you go. Complete oil pump. This is a flat pump instead of the big tall pump. So this is for the big twin flathead, UL, ULH, and also for trikes. Trikes like using these too. So the 45 solo bikes, they usually have the double pump. The fat one is twice as big on the rotor. This is a rotary vane design. That means it's got two little vanes that go back and forth. That's what the sealing area is, and this just holds it as it rotates. And you actually have a drive dog off the end of the cam, goes in and turns it. This thing's pretty frozen up, I bet. It's pretty heavily rusted. The key thing when you're buying these is make sure this is not broken off in here. And make sure this is still good up here, not broken. The threads are good and the taper's still good. This one looks pretty nice actually. But these ears right here are broken all the time, and so these up here get bad. The rest of the pump, unless it gets really rusty like this one is, usually isn't too bad. So let's see if this thing will come out of here. Doesn't really want to rotate. I'm thinking maybe it doesn't want to come out of here. So yeah, you got to soak this for a while, probably put a little heat in it. Now this vane will go back and forth a little bit, so if you take a brass punch and kind of tap it back and forth, it might free up the rust a little bit. And if you hit it against a table, something like this, pretty hard on a table, but where's a hole underneath it, this piece might actually fall out. So as long as you hit it flat, but not too hard on material. Piece of aluminum would be nice to hit against a block, but anyway, this one's pretty frozen up, so it's going to take some work to get it out. You got a pressure relief valve here. There should be an adjuster here to adjust your pressure. So it's not just where the spring is; it's you have an adjustment in here. The big twin bikes, the late bikes, they don't have an adjustable valve. This one does. The flatheads all have adjustable valves in them. And this one here is your check valve for drain for leaking in the motor. So you pull that one out, and you got balls in here that seal. That I'm sure are rusty where they go, so they probably leak like a sieve. But anyway, that's how they're supposed to be. Yeah, who knows what they really are. So this one here is going to need some work. Obviously I attempted to clean it by blasting it, but it's pretty rusty. So we'll have to see. Let's show what's in here. Lifters. These are probably lifter blocks for something. So we'll see. Alright, let me get this cleaned up. We'll be back.